The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, CD player, power door locks, security system, power windows, bucket seats, passenger airbag, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag, cloth seats, steel wheels. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.